What up guys, this is Badger with Gangbuster Models, and this is my final on my 2018 big rig build. This is my International Pro Star in a really cool metallic blue. Yeah, this kit was awesome. Went together awesome. I didn't have any problems with it except for the hood latch, which is a little bit finicky, but I'll see if I can get in there and see some of that detail inside. And I hand painted the dash and everything on that. Let's see if I can get it focused. Come on, focus. But anyways guys, yeah, the hood's a little finicky. It's just the way that the front mounts are. The bumper does go down. The problem is that, well, actually that time it worked. But one of the mounts on me, it's just a little loose and it likes to pop out. But other than that, but the bumper does also swing down to help the hood a little bit. It's both on hinges. Let's see if I can get rid of that motor. It's really bright with that light. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, there we go. See all the detail put in there with painting it. Turn that back on. Let's see if I can get the hood to close on first try. So those hinges are just a little finicky. Come on, because it's they're just like in a groove there. They go up and down, and sometimes they do not want to go all the way down. And then sometimes it'll just pop right in. I don't know why. It fell out again. But anyways, I think my next project I might work on, I'm not for sure, but I might jump onto my Dodge Ram 50 and get that knocked out. That's been one that I've been working on for a little bit, of the body painted and everything. That's one that I don't know, I really want to finish it. It's a cool little truck. And then after I get that done, I might jump back on to the Pete Wrecker and get that done. But we'll see how that goes. I'm going to change the format to the way I was making videos before once my computer updates. But anyways guys, that's the end of my 2018 big rig build, and keep them rolling guys. This has been Badger Gangbuster Models.